Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down, select Sound and Vibration, and over here scroll down again. Then you can click on the switcher next to Vibrate while ringing. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. But you can also click on the switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations where your device is muted. Then scroll down, click on the switcher next to Haptic Feedback to enable or disable touch vibrations, and over here, if you wish to enable them, you can also select intensity of them by swiping left or right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!